Hi and welcome. Here we're gonna program the milling machine and we're gonna put the P0 and we're gonna do the compensation steps. So first we select a tool. Here we select tool number 7. Then we have to move our piece and the tool in the Z position in order uh, to be at the corner of the piece. As we can see in the video, a little piece of the piece is removed by the tool. So now we know we're in the face of the tool. So as we can see, the program tells us in the corner that in the C position we are in the 147 millimeters. Now we're gonna do the same for the X axis. So we can see we're gonna do it until a little piece of the material is removed, and then we're gonna look at the absolute coordinates there, and as we can see we have 247 millimeters, but we have to add the radius of our tool, which is 5.55. So we're gonna have 242. Now we're gonna do the same for the y-axis until we remove a little piece so we know we're in that phase. And then we go to setup coordinate systems. We look at the corner again, and as we can see we have the 120, but we have to add the 5 millimeters from the tool. We click OK. Now we go home in our machine. Okay, so now we go again to setup, coordinate system setup. Now we make active the G54 in which we save the coordinates. Now we press F8 in our computer and we're gonna give in C we're gonna put 10 because if we made this wrong we don't want the machine to crash against the piece. So we're gonna give like a little margin. Look. So as you can see, the tool is in the corner of the piece, but it's not there. So we're gonna put a closer measure. Let's see. Now we are in the corner. So now we're gonna use the setup compensation tool wizard. This means that if you want to change tools, you don't have to do the last process again. So now you're gonna say that the reference tool is already there. As we can see, we have a tool there. If you don't, you use the other one. So we click next. Now it says we have to put the tool, the point, the tip of the tool in the face of our piece. So now we're going there. As we can see, we turn on the spindle and we wait until we see a little piece of the material to jump out. Okay, now we have it almost there. Yeah, you saw it. So now we're gonna click next. So it says you have to remove the reference tool. So you click there. Okay, now the machine is gonna remove the reference tool, but remember to always first send the ATC home, which is where the tools are. And in this case we're gonna open the milling machine, but it is automated so it's not necessary. And in the end you click next and the reference is going to be saved. So if you change if you use another tool, if you change the tool, then the machine is going to do the compensation calculations. So we're good to go, and that's all. I hope you enjoyed.